celebrity corruption builder play for the grand scheme of things. They seem to be above the law for those VIPs that need protection because they hold secrets from us, but you have the power to turn them on and off because you pay through the nose every week, every month to subscribe to such things. Where can you find why they're so distant towards their sycophants, their listed groupies, not turning them on anymore? So they need to have a look deeply who are following them. This way you could be caught out in a dirty ring or something. Salute or shoot. Direct line. But where do we draw the line? Yes. Why are they interested in us? We have no money, only enough to pay your way as fans. What do they desire? But the same as us. It's their television. Turn around so it's facing at us, the camera. It will go wild to know that you're probably known by the stars that you are following. Is that just paranoia? It's a hard line. There's one I want to leave you on. May not be true.